When it comes to protein and animal products, what makes them inflammatory is a process called glycation. And glycation occurs when sugar gets hot and melts, it sticks to things, it becomes glycated. And glycation, sugar in the body can stick to proteins like your blood cells or collagen, and sugars can also stick to fats like your cholesterol. But when we cook food, especially meat and animal products, the muscle cells of the animals have glycogen in it. And so those sugars bind to the proteins, and that changes the structure of the proteins, and it forms something called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. And those cause a lot more oxidative stress inside of your cells and inside of your gut than if you were to eat that meat not cooked or get your protein from a plant-based source. Furthermore, that's what happens when you fry foods too. When you take carbohydrates like flour and sugar and then you boil it in fat, those sugars and fats bind together and create advanced glycation end products. Those two things are what make meat and fried foods inflammatory. But when it comes to meat, meat has a lot of nutrition that we need. So really what would vary is the way that it's cooked. If you grill meat and meats that have a lot of saturated fat, like farm cows and farmed chickens, and you put them on the grill and expose them to a flame, it produces a lot more AGEs. Those glucose bind to the fats and to the proteins, and it becomes much more inflammatory than if you were to put it in an air fryer